Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. This is a type of question na lumalabas sa multiple exams, sa experience ko ha. Science high school test, college entrance test, LAE, civil service, possibly, may mga ganitong klaseng tanong. Now, ang susi dito is just how familiar you are with the formula. What happens to the area of a circle when the radius is doubled? There are two ways to solve it. Number one, you just tweak yung variable sa formula. Now, ano ba ang formula ng area of a circle? That would be pi r squared. So, instead of pi r squared, gagawin natin pi 2r squared. Bakit 2r? Kasi dinoble natin yung radius. Kasi common naman siya doon sa original at saka doon sa bago nating ginawa. Pero yung 2r squared, paano ba natin yan sinusolve? Yung 2r na yan mismo yung isusquare natin. Ayon sa PEMDAS o BODMAS, kung ano man ang familiar kayo, nauna natin sinusolve yung exponent bago yung multiplication. So, ibig sabihin nun, didikit itong 2r dito sa squared. Now, yung exponent na yan would turn yung 2r into this. You have 2r times another 2r. Pwede natin kopyahin yung pi pa rin. Now, 2r times 2r is going to give us 4r squared. Now, kung i-compare natin itong pi 4r squared dito sa pi r squared, very obvious na merong 4 dito na wala dito. Which means, this is going to be 4 times of pi r squared or 4 times nung original na area ng circle. So what happens to the area of a circle when the radius is doubled? The area is quadrupled or minumultiply siya sa 4. Now, another way of solving it, actually, mas preferred ko to, is just to assign a number. Big sabihin nun, kung ang original radius sa pi r squared is just 1, this will be pi 1 squared or just 1 pi. At dinoble ko yung 1 na radius originally, this will become 2. So, 2 squared instead of 1 squared. This is going to give me pi of 2 times 2 or 4. At kung i-compare natin again dito, this will be 4 times nung pi. So, again, the answer would be eta times 4 mo siya or quadrupled. Now, sa test, pwedeng rectangle ang formula, pwedeng square, pwedeng hina-half, hina-quarter, double, triple, kung ano yung mga variables. Basta importante, alam niya ninyo yung plan of attack.